Well, this is all coming as Israel makes the first arrest in the attack that sparked this latest conflict. Israel saying they have detained an alleged Hamas member in the kidnapping and murder of 3 Israeli teens. The 3 teens were hitchhiking when they were kidnapped, their body later discovered in the West Bank. Hamas leadership has denied Israel was pounded on before she was shot. Some comparing this trial to the Trayvon Martin case, the teenager who was shot and killed down in Florida 2 years ago by George Zimmerman. The 20-year-old